How to create a link field in Airtable. So first, go to Airtable. Then what you need to do is just go to this one, go to the right, and look for the plus icon here. So just click on it, and then what you need to do is just click on link to another record. Then from here, choose which record you're going to link this field to. So for example, I want to link key results, this one, to this field. So now from here, you can enable any of the options here that you want. So I'll just enable this one, and then you can also add a description and a field name. So let's say my field name is field 1 or field 1 key results. Okay, now from there, just click on create field. Okay, now if you want to add a lookup field, you can do that. You can select the options here from this one. Then if you want to skip that, you can do that. Just click on skip. Okay, now from here, you can just click on the plus icon, and you can select any of the fields from this one. So let's say I want to add an increase rate website traffic from this one. As you can see, let's check if this one or this one can be seen here. So just click on key results, and as you can see the increased website traffic here. And there you go. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.